Hello, dear students of class 4. Now you all are familiar with the word habitat and you have learned about habitats of wild animals, habitats of pet animals, and habitat of aquatic animals. Today we will learn about habitats of birds. Birds fly in the sky. Okay, tell me which birds have you seen around you? Yes, crow, sparrow, parrot, pigeon, etc. Birds have wings, feet, and beaks, but they do not have teeth. Mostly birds can fly, but some birds like penguin, ostrich, emu, etc. cannot fly. The birds make nests to lay eggs, to take care of their young ones, and to live. As we use a plenty of material to make houses like bricks, cement, sand, iron, etc. Like that, birds make their nest from sticks, grass, straw, leaves, tree twigs, paper, cotton, etc. so that the nest is comfortable and there is no uneasiness for the baby birds hatched from eggs. Students, different types of birds make different types of nests. Many birds make their nests on rocks or on the branches of the trees. Some birds, like sparrows, pigeons, etc., make their nest on the windows and ventilators of the house also. Owl, parrot, kingfisher, etc., live in cavities or hollow tree trunks. And vulture, kite, and eagle make their nest on tree tops. Let's solve some questions. And your first question is, which of the following bird cannot fly? And your options are parrot, penguin, pigeon, owl. Yes, tell me the answer. Very good. The correct option is penguin. Penguin cannot fly. Today's next question is, which of the following bird lives in the cavity or hollow tree trunks? And your options are peacock, sparrow, owl, tailor bird. Yes, the correct option is owl. Owl lives in the cavity or hollow tree trunks. It's time for homework. And your homework is to learn and write these questions neatly in your notebook. Thank you.